I'm planning to eventually go live, but in order for me to go live, since I have a new channel, I need to have 50 subscribers. So if you share and subscribe, we'll get there, and I will be able to share my knowledge and do lives so you can crochet along with me, and I can answer all your questions. And this is all cotton, and all the stitches here are double crochets and chains. That's all there is to it. And as I finish a round, I just think of what I want the other one to be, the next one to be, and that's how I do it. You just have to have the passion for wanting to learn and wanting to crochet, and then you can do things yourself. You can create things. So for now, I'm here, and I think on the next round, I'm gonna do another cluster like this one. So I'll show you how we're gonna do this. You know, I learned to crochet on my own here on YouTube. I did it on my own years ago, and I've been wanting to teach other people and share my knowledge with other people, but like many other people, I don't know if you're one of those, I'm just afraid of, oh, I don't know this and I don't know that, I don't know how to do this, oh, what cameras do I need, what kind of audio do I need, and what about my lighting? And I just get lost and I end up doing nothing. So I decided to just do it. It's gonna be imperfect. My lighting may not be right, my sound may not be right, but I hope that you can hear that I am a passionate person. I am very passionate for my crochet. So I decided I'm gonna start sharing it. So here I am. I'm gonna start doing this quite often. But in order for me to go live, which that's what I would love to do so I can chat with you guys, I need 50 subscribers so that YouTube will allow me to go live. So help me get there, and we can see each other more often. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do one more, make it 5. And these are just double crochets. In the comments, you can tell me if you want me to teach you how to crochet from the beginning, or you know the basic stitches and you just want to create shawls or tunics or beanies, anything you want. I can help you with that. Okay, so I'm chaining 1, single crochet, chain 1, and we do the same thing all around. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 double crochets. And I like using this because I have carpal tunnel, so this kind of helps me. It's better than when I hold it just on its own, but you can crochet however you want. Everybody holds the hook their own way. So 5 double crochets, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and we do the same thing. So this is how it's gonna look all around. That's how it's gonna look all the way around. So we're back again, and I did all these 5 double crochets, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochets all the way around, and we're gonna close this round with a slip stitch right here on this first, the top of the first one. And oops, that's all there is to it. And I don't have a lot more yarn left, so I think I'm gonna leave it here. But you can increase, you can continue going until whatever size you want to do. You can repeat whichever row you want until you get it all done. So if you want me to show you from the very beginning how to do this specific one, let me know in the comments, and subscribe, share this video with your friends, Tell them to also subscribe so that we can reach the 50 subscribers so I can start going live and we can talk and we can share and you can ask me questions and you can crochet along. Thank you for watching.